Welcome to this turnkey furnished home in the amenity-rich community of Island Walk, Naples, Florida. This upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances brings elegance to this open concept floor plan. This home features high ceilings and 4 sets of sliding doors that lead to a lanai and pool area that's ready for relaxation. With a new roof, AC, and pool heater, it is obvious this home is well maintained and ready for the new owner. It sits on a spacious pie-shaped lot with lovely bridge and lake views in a pet-friendly community with 24-hour gated security. Need more information? Visit the property website listed below or give us a call. Thanks for watching.